I am going to check for eggs. Want to come with me? So our rains are back. You want to come in? Why don't you girls come in? We'll shut the door behind you. Come here. It's almost bedtime anyway. Come on. You got 1 hour. It's not going to hurt you to come in for a while. Come on, Mary. Come on. Come join Rose. Hello, Rose. Come on, girl. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There you go. All right. Let's go check for eggs. You have to have laid by now, right? 3 p.m. Oh my gosh. Oh, 3 of you. Oh my gosh. Girls, I love you. I love that you're laying again. So this one is, which one is this? Which one is this? Okay, so this is Flora. I'll just stick it right there. This is Rose. And this is Mary. Beautiful girls, loved it. What? You were checking me out? Well, thank you very much, ladies. Thank you. I've never been so excited for eggs before, but we haven't had any in a while. Oh! The thing my husband made. See if I can do this one-handed. Oh, nice feather. Okay, so this, the big part, is the bottom. I always put them down pointy side. Okay, Flora, Mary, Rose. Perfect. Let's see, does it shut? They all fit. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. No more pocket omelets. Well, unless I forget to bring it out here, which will happen. Hi, honey. I know. I know. Well, remember to plant kindness to grow love. God bless and have an awesome day. Until next time. Bye-bye. See, Mom, I did do the closing. See you later, alligators. After a while, crocodile.